So when we worked with these children, and the parents had a lot of demands, right? They expect the school to be miracle workers, right? My child has a handicap. Please help. Please fix. Yeah. But lo and behold, because of self-identity through hooponopono, you begin to realize that I had to clean myself. Right? That everything I heard or saw from the parents and how the children responded, I had to clean. Yeah. And so it was a very tedious, enlightening experience, because in schools, I guess, it's so easy to blame the parents. It's so easy to blame the government system for not providing enough education. And parents come and they blame us, right? They bring their advocates and say, this is what I want. You didn't provide this for me, for my child, And so it's like, and then sometimes they have lawsuits, So it's a very interesting times, all these multiple things that happen. But the essence was to simply look at self and clean whatever I saw, whatever I felt, And then it's interesting that, towards the end of the school year, they would have like ceremonies, at schools and things. And this one parent came and she had sent a letter to the district superintendent saying, I was so appreciative that I would receive these small notes from the therapist saying, oh, thank you. I keep the parent informed, And so all these parents who were so aggressive and perhaps hostile, you saw them in a whole total different light. They became more easy to work with, and then the children, no matter how handicapped they were, it felt like they were, even in their handicaps, there was like a flow through life. We had children who bit themselves. We had children who banged their heads, but in the end, you would begin to see them as not as these children with handicaps, but these children with special talents and gifts if you truly cleaned yourself and tuned into them.